Not allowed to sneeze, burp, or yawn in public?
Sneeze and yawn?
Is it allowed to do that in front of
depends.
the camera?
No, but I think it depends on what events and what environment you're at, right? If you're in a very, very serious meeting, like, you know, you kind of like, that's just having
Basic manners.
Yeah, it's not because it's idle or this or that. No, it's just human manners. Like, you're not going to be in fine dining and jump on the table and dance, right? Like, it's not an idle thing. I just think it's a normal common sense, right? But if you're just with your friends, whatever, you're live streaming or that, why not?